Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Force MX. You got my cousin Steve. Say hi.
Hey.
Yep, he's going to be working with me on the YZ250 build. We're doing a quick little one. He's cleaning up the chain guide here. Right, huh? Cleaning it up?
Yes.
Let's see what you got. See, look at that side, dude. Look at how dirty that was. Look at that. Show him. See how clean that is, dude?
Yeah.
You're a pro, huh? You're just a pro. Aren't you? You have to be.
Yeah.
Dude, look at him go. He is on it. And you have a dirt bike too, right? Right? You don't have to clean this. You only have to clean the metal part. What kind of dirt bike do you have?
Yamaha.
Oh, you have a Yamaha too?
Mm-hmm.
Here, look. I can pull this out for you. Here, I'll put it there.
Cool.
You only have to clean the outside too. Dang, dude, you're on it.
This won't make it clean.
Here, let me help you out again too.
Yeah.
Hold up. Ready? Check this out. I got a trick. Take it off your leg. Alright, check this out. You put one of these, a shop towel over it. That way your leg doesn't get dirty.
Okay.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. See, check that out.
Go.
You want to know how you're doing a good job?
How?
Let's see those hands. See? They're all dirty, huh?
Yeah.
That means you're cleaning it. That means the dirt's getting off of there, huh?
It's gonna be brand new someday.
Dude, it looks brand new already. You got it down, man. I probably need to fix this though, huh? Cause
Yeah.
so it looks like, here, let me see it. Okay, guys, so that fin's up there. I probably might get a new chain guide just because of that.
Yeah.
But it's fine right here.
I'm just gonna clean it off.
Oh, really? That's a good idea.
To put like.
You don't have to clean the inside. All you have to do is outside.
If somebody like collects them.
Yeah, dude, I could probably sell it, huh?
Yeah.
How much do you think I could get from it? Now it's less clean.
If you put some water on it, soap it up,
Clean it
it
up?
could probably be worth like $20.
Oh, yeah, that's a good price. I could put that up for 20 bucks.
At like a yard sale or something.
I could put it on Craigslist. You know what that is?
Yeah.
It's a site for selling stuff.
Mhm. If you like don't want to go outside and make a yard sale, no, you can just.
Yeah, dude, look at that. Workmanship right there. Yeah, guys, so update on the build. Forks have not leaked yet, so that is a massive plus completely. Other than that, me and my grandpa, he came over today. We straightened up the pegs, painted them black. Along with that, all this stuff is going to be painted. Sandblasted, powder coated, spring, linkage, or dog bone linkage bearings, or not linkage bearings, linkage, axle blocks, brake mount, swing arm, water pump, brake lever, power valve cover, and some probably more stuff. Right now I'm cleaning up the shock right now. Hopefully get it nice and minty fresh. That way the spring doesn't look hideous with the new.
It's done.
Really? Let's see it. Yeah, I don't want to have it look ugly with the new spring. But yeah, guys, let's get back to Steve. Alright, it's gone. What do you got? Oh, dude, it's totally done. Look at that. Let's see it, dude. Dang. Look at how clean that is. He actually did a really good job. Hey, you know what you do now? With this shop towel, you wipe it off. Get it?
Yeah.
Look at that. You wipe off all the old dust. See how much is on there?
Yeah.
You wipe it off. You just keep wiping. You can throw that on the ground.
That shows how
Yeah. Let's see the other one. Yeah, dude. That's you worked it. Yeah, dude. Look at how clean that is. That's actually surprising. All right. I might have to keep this.
Yeah.